You will repeat after me to practice our letters and their sounds. You'll say the object or the picture, then you'll say the letter, and then you'll say the sound it makes, such as this: queen, Q. Your turn.
Queen, Q.
Queen, Q. Not yet.
What is it?
Boy, B, B. Your turn.
Queen, B, B.
Good. House, H. Your turn.
H.
Valentine, V, V.
Valentine's V.
What sound? Good. Water, W.
Water,
Ooh.
W.
Ooh. Umbrella, U.
Umbrella, U.
Ah. Don't forget to let me make the sound. Elephant, E, eh.
Elephant, E, D.
Eh. Good. Kite, K, K. Kite, K, K.
I can want to take that one.
Man, M, That's right.
Is that a sticker?
Yo-yo, Y,
Yellow.
E.
Yellow, Y, E.
Garbage, G, G.
Garbage.
G, G. Cup, C, K. Cup, C.
Cup. C. Cup. Can I have one of them?
Night, N. Mm.
In.
Good. Rabbit, R. R.
Oh.
Rabbit, R. R. Snake, S.
Is it almost time?
Almost. We have a few more letters. Jar, J, J. Jar, J, J. Duck, D, D,
D.
D. Good. Octopus, O, Ah,
O.
Ah.
R.
Box, X, X. Box, X, X. Good. Ladder, L, ooh. Ladder, L, ooh. Indian, I, I, I. Good.
Sometimes you're sad. Like
Zipper, Z, Z,
Zipper, C.
Z. Good. Apple, A, ah.
Ah.
Peanut, P, P. P. Good. Fish, F, Tent, T,
T.
T. Very good. We did all 26 letters of the alphabet.
Can I have